Hello Mudkip recruits, my name is Ben, and today I'm going to show you how to find the Syrupy Apple to evolve your Applin in Pokemon Scarlet and Violet, the Teal Mask. You can even find it early before we head into the community center. So you need to travel to Mossville Confluence. This is where you'll find an apple shop that sells apples that you're looking for. Once you're there, you'll find no shopkeeper. It's just a shelf with apples that you need. They only cost 500 Pokédollars, so you could buy as many as you want. Applins are pretty easy to find. I'm not even going to show you how to find them. They're even found here in Kitakami. So just use the Syrupy Apple on the one you like and it will evolve into Dipplin. I hope this tutorial helped you, and don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Now see you all later.